What's up? It's Mr. CMB back with another video. They call me Justin, but aka Mr. CMB. So, like I said, it has begun. What has begun? Foreclosures. The moratorium's up. Student loans are up. You're seeing a lot of houses. And like I told you, just maybe 2-3 years ago, people were buying houses way above market value and they can't afford these homes. And I said this in one of my first two videos on this channel when I first started this channel, and it's happening right now. So unfortunately that's happening to people, but on the flip side, this is the best time to get into real estate. And I'm gonna tell you why. Specifically because, I wholesale auction properties. If you go after pre-foreclosures, that's a good lead source, but I wholesale auction properties. So a lot of these properties are going to auction, and I'm checking these sites every single week, and I'm seeing more and more inventory. And what I see is more opportunity that we can take advantage of. Not only that, but we can actually supply the MLS with more inventory because there's not as much inventory for a healthy market. So we're at this very weird place in real estate right now where you can actually get in and really start killing it. Deals are still going on right now. I know in the first quarter it seemed like it was kind of slow, but things are picking up right now and there's tons of inventory. You're going to start seeing more private investors come back into the game because they left out at the beginning of the year, late last year, at the beginning of the year. But you're going to start seeing more people start acquiring stuff because quiet as kept, we're in a recession right now, but you're really going to feel it. Well, not you, but this economy is really going to feel it next year in 2024. So you want to position yourself right now. There's deals everywhere, pre-foreclosure deals, wholesaling auction property deals at discounts. These deals are going to be everywhere. So like I said, is you really want to position yourself to really come up. Quiet as kept, you're going to start seeing more people, even myself, become millionaires in the next 12 months or less, just because we see this opportunity. Now, one of the things, I don't know what your situation is, whether you're doing well in real estate, whether you're just starting in real estate, maybe you're broken in debt. If you just lock down and focus, you can, in 12 months, I guarantee you'll be in a whole different situation. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to document my real estate grind on this channel, just real estate only, nothing else. But you're going to see people come up, and I really want you to come up and take heed. This is a big moment in time because wherever there's pain and disaster, there's profits. And as messed up as it is, that's just always been the American way. And I want everybody who's watching this video to take advantage of this. Take advantage. Now, if you don't know where to start, click the link below. I have a few links below that you could check out that can help you, such as your budgeting. If you want to budget, that's free. If you don't know where to start in real estate, I have a little sheet that you could work out and just figure that out. Or if you really want to dive headfirst into wholesale and auction properties, working part-time, making a full-time income, click the link below, the Calendly link, schedule a call with me, see if you're a good fit for the actual program, and we could build your business in 12 weeks and get you rocking and rolling, getting your first deal. So I just want to make you aware of this, and I'm gonna have some links below to some of the actual articles that I'm actually talking about with this, and also why this is a great time. But I just needed to make this video to make you aware that there's opportunity going on right now at this present moment, and some people are going to take advantage of this. Some of you are just going to watch this video and get back to your regular life. Whatever your decision is, I hope you make the right decision to get in on this game right now, because whether you do or not, deals are going on. We closed one today, and like I said, deals are always going to go on, with or without you. Either way, you're in real estate game. I'm in this office, I'm in the real estate game, whether I'm paying or whether I'm receiving. So you might as well be on the receiving end. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Mr. CMB, Justin, I'm out. Peace.